Okay, I'm going to try something called the dot torture. Again, it's Adam Winch Defenders USA. I'm at the Cameo Shooting and Education Complex in just beautiful Colorado here in western Colorado. If you can see it up here in the middle of that target up there, there's a 5 by or 8 by 11 inch sheet of paper, and it's got a target up there called dot torture. This isn't for time. I'm just working through it. It's a 50 round test. I'm going to let this record. We're done. We'll go take a look at the target. In fact, let me walk it up there real quick so you can see it. Okay, so this is the dot torture. Okay, so I'll be shooting at these 10 different circles, doing different things with them. I'll explain it when we're done. So anyways, here, let's go back and take a look at this. Make sure camera's in there. All right. Okay, first one is slow fire. Just 2 hands. I'm gonna draw, and I'm gonna shoot 5 rounds. That one's the circle that has the 1 in. Okay, so 5 rounds. By the way, I'm shooting a gun, a HK VP9 2020 upgrade, but it's got the Holosun 507C green. It's a green dot optic, but I'm actually going to use, for the first time ever, I'm going to use the 32 MOA circle in here. I've not done this on dot torture, so I'm actually curious where things are. I'm actually kind of wondering if I need to slightly adjust my zero because I've been using a dot. So this is kind of just a test of this type of thing. Okay, so 1 draw stroke, 5 rounds on the 1 there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm at 3 yards. You can see it all went in there pretty, but it's a lot lower than I expected it because I'm used to the dot. Okay, so that tells me I've got to adjust how I hold this as I learn this MOA circle versus dot. Okay, so the second one. I'm going to draw and fire 1 round, and I'm going to do it 5 times. Okay, so 1 round 5 times. Here we go. Okay, so I'm having to play with how I hold this dot, this optic. It's different to me. I've not used the circle yet. So, okay, so all are in there. Now, on the 3 and 4, I'm gonna do this 4 times. I'm gonna draw, fire 1 at the 3, and then I'm gonna fire 1 at the 4. So I'll draw, fire 1 3, 1 4, and I'll do that again several different times, okay, or 4 different times. So here we go. Okay. So on the 5 circle, I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw and fire 5 rounds, okay? Just one-handed. 5 rounds, one-handed. Oh, boys and girls, I've got to clean up my act. I missed one. I cannot believe that. I felt it too. All right, so that's terrible, especially at 3 yards of the dot. I mean, that's horrid. Anyways, so for the 6 and the 7, I'm going to draw and fire 2 at the 6 and then do 2 at 7. 2 at the 6, 2 at 7, and I do that 4 times. So it'll be a total of 8 rounds. Make sure I've got enough. Yep. Okay. Actually, it's a total of 16 rounds. Okay. So here we go. so this next one, the 8th circle, I'm going to draw, and I'm running out of ammo here. I'm going to draw and fire 5 rounds, but I'm going to do it with my non-dominant hand, or my left hand, okay? So 5 rounds with my non-dominant hand. Okay, here we go. Okay, so all 5 are in there. Okay, now this time I'm going to draw, shoot 1 at the 9, do a reload, shoot 1 at the 10, and I'll do that 3 times. So 1 at the 9, reload, 1 at the 10. Let me grab a empty magazine here. I think I'm running out of battery power, so I better hurry. Okay. All right, here we go. Stand by. Okay, here we go. All right, empty mag. Okay, we'll do it again. We'll do it 2 more times, so a total of 3. Empty gun, or 1 round in there. We'll do it 1 more time. Okay, so battery's running out. Let's go take a look at this. Okay, so get out of the way. So there's my 1 miss right there. I was shooting at the 5, and it was one-handed, and I shanked it so bad. But you can see everything else. It works. So there you go, dot torture. It's almost like cheating when you do it with these red dot optics or dot optics. I'm not used to the circle yet, so this is all new to me, and that's weird shooting, so I wanted to try it out. But if you're going to do it with a dot, you should really go to 5 yards or 7, because it's just so easy at 3. Anyways, take care. Adam Winch, Defenders USA.